User Guide, PC software. Connect the hologram fan to power. All 4 blades will light up briefly and then turn off. The device is now at the standby condition. The hologram fan will not spin until the remote or the app is used. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your computer and connect to the hologram fan's network, FXXXX. Enter the default password 12345678. Click Next. If prompt appears, select Yes. Open the app, MISSYOU. Click Control Devices. Device connected. If the device name appears in white, it indicates successful connection. If it appears in red, it indicates the connection was unsuccessful. Select F70. Play, turn on the device. Stop, turn off the device. About language settings. Help, user guide and splicing setup tutorial. Click Upload. Select the files on your computer and then click Open. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom and drag to adjust the image size and position. The dashed circle indicates the display area. Make sure the image stays within the circle. Click Export to save the converted file to your computer. Converting files. Once finished, copy the xx.ftlv file to TFS card. Insert it into the hologram fan to play. Click Upload. Uploading files. After uploading, the file will be automatically added to the playlist. Loop icon. Enable cycling play for the file. Edit icon. Edit the field's playback parameters. File name. Can edit the file name. Repetition. Set the number of playback repetitions. Type. File type. Set time to play. All day. Default full day playback. Hidden. Do not play the file. Set time. Set file playback time. After editing as needed, click OK to save. Delete icon. Remove files from the playlist. Splicing, used when multiple devices are spliced. Projection, project your computer's content to the hologram fan for playback. Settings, set device parameters. Format, erase all contents on the TF card. Proceed carefully. Display mode, choose display mode, highlight, or true color. Restore factory settings, reset all settings to factory defaults. Name, modify the fan's name, and optionally synchronize the Wi-Fi name. The device Wi-Fi name has been modified. Please reconnect the device Wi-Fi. Open the network settings on your computer. Find and connect to the device's updated Wi-Fi name 11. If prompted, enter the default password 12345678. The device has reconnected. Lightness. Adjust brightness from 50% to 100%. Angle. Adjust the display angle from -180 to 180. Start when powered on. Fan rotates automatically after powered on. Use with caution. Remote control matching. Encrypt remote control to prevent interference. Third-party control allows integration and control through third-party central control systems. Validate login. Create password for secondary log PWD to prevent unauthorized control. Click Settings when finished. Network when using multi-device splicing. Customize Wi-Fi name and password. Sync group. Add multiple devices to the same group for unified control and synchronized playback. Timing switch. Set automatic power on and power off times for the device. Click Change when finished. Voice. Turn on and connect the Bluetooth speaker. Follow instructions to connect, and it will automatically search for the speaker.